Right back. Sorry for the pause. Okay, so we unboxed this baby already in another video. So we got heat salamander or house salamander. Let's open it. So we got the cord. How am I not going to be using it? Then we got the instructions. He doesn't have it. Oh, here it is, guys. Here it is. Alright. Here's the code if you want to scan it. Yep. Alright. Here's the 12 disc. You know what I mean? Yep. We'll be doing that okay, so what? Oh, it's the last spin bay. I don't know that. Alright, so for a blanket. No, I should put it. Maybe. Oh, please. Do we 200 people? Oh, they're nice. Oh, I forgot.